Supply chain plays a crucial role in achieving manufacturing excellence, and with its growing impact on Indian manufacturing and allied sectors, with India emerging as a key player in the global supply chain landscape, DD India's Tapash Bhattacharya spoke exclusively to Deepak Shetty, chairman of the CII Council on Manufacturing Excellence, to understand how India is shaping the future of supply chain dynamics.
Talk about India's growth in different sectors. We've seen Gati Shakti has given a major boost to India's manufacturing sector. How do you see Indian economy poised to grow in the next few years?
I think it's very heartening to note that the Indian economy has had a very steady growth last few years, and its trajectory is equally strong. Recently, the international, whether it is World Bank or IMF, they are all supported this whole trajectory that we are talking about of 6.5%, and we are absolutely confident that India is marching ahead in line with the Honorable Prime Minister's vision of being a $5 trillion economy.
So we saw that Indian manufacturing sector grew manifold, especially after the COVID. Do you believe that they are now ready if there is any disruption that happens internationally or anywhere else?
I think for years together, the Indian economy was supported by the services sector. The manufacturing sector is now coming to play, as you rightly said. And one of the key reasons is the various policies that the Honorable Government has announced, which are very conducive for the manufacturing sector, whether it is through the PLI schemes, which is encouraging more of FDA and also encouraging Indian entrepreneurs to get into manufacturing. The ease of doing business is again playing a very important role. And also the various announcements that have been made as a part of our budget. This year, during the budget, the Honorable Finance Minister made announcements on supporting the MSME sector. And we have seen globally the manufacturing sector has grown based on the support and the growth in the MSME sector. So I think the government has given the right impetus to support the growth in manufacturing sector, and I'm very confident that the future growth that we'll see, the manufacturing sector in India will play its role and be a huge contributing factor.
So, US has been talking about tariff cuts in different sectors. Do you believe that Indian manufacturers, Indian businessmen are ready to take on this particular challenges?
We'll wait and see when the announcements come. But I can only tell you that last few years, our investment in technology, our investment in innovation has made India a very strong alternative when people are looking at alternate supply chains around the world. If I can talk about JCB, last year we exported, last few years we have been exporting to more than 130 countries. Last year our largest exports were to USA. So I'm confident that the Indian industry will stand up to the challenge and continue to support our customers, whether they are in USA or any other part in the world.
This is Tapash Bhattacharya for DD India from Delhi.